How to delete a message for everyone in Telegram. Let's get started. First, you have to update your Telegram app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now, at the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Telegram and search for it. With that, app will appear. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Then head towards the chat section. Now open the conversation where you want to delete a message. Now head towards the text that you want to delete. Just long press on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of delete. You will get two options, delete for everyone, delete for me. Click on the option of delete for everyone. And just for that, the message will be removed. So this way you can easily delete a message for everyone in Telegram. By applying the same process, you can easily delete any message on your Telegram account in any conversation. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.